right, guys, we're gonna do a little fun new series. What's in the box?
Who's in the box?
I got a whole bunch of boxes from a couple different manufacturers, and when I received them and I knew what was in them, they handed it to me like, this is this and this is that. And then I drove 2,200 miles across the country with all these boxes, unloaded them at my house, and went directly into work my butt off mode to try and catch up from a week of not being in the office. And here we are a couple weeks later filming, and I can't remember what's in these boxes, so we're gonna find out together. This episode is brought to you by KC Turbos and their amazing merch. My producer was complaining about the shadows on my face, so I'm gonna turn this beautiful, super comfortable KC Turbos hat around backwards, and we're gonna open this box. Oh, I just learned how to use a knife today. This is a box of brown paper. I recommend this brown paper over all the other brown paper because this is the best brown paper. Totally kidding. Oh, burritos. Another burrito. A third burrito. You just got to go at these things like a little kid at Christmas, just tear it apart. Oh, okay, so I remember talking to the guys at Complete Performance about these. They're super proud of this product. So, third brake lights for your OBS, power strokes, gassers, they're all the same. Being in the warehouse with Paul and Chris when they were explaining all this to me, they made 3 different styles. So you got different strokes for different folks. Different strokes. So these are for your older gentlemen or your purists that just want OE everything original. Some guys just love smoking out all their headlight or their lights on their vehicle, headlights, tail lights, third brake light. So you got the smoked version here, which means this is going to be the Ricer clear version. All of these molds are the same. So there's your 3 different options. And what Chris was showing me while I was at the warehouse with these guys is the fitment quality of how well this molds to the back of the cab. He was showing me some other aftermarket ones that they sit like a 1/4 of an inch off because when the company that molded them, they forgot to take this foam backing off, so they molded the foam backing into the plastic, and then they added another foam backing. So these ones, you will not have that issue. They sit nice and flush, nice and tight, just like the OEM. They're also coming out with an LED option on these. And in case you guys didn't know, we'll do another episode that goes more in depth on this, but there is a wire for the third brake light that ties into the TCM for the automatic transmission. So if you got the E4OD and you put an LED third brake light in your truck, you can develop some erratic shifting and some weird glitchy stuff going on with the transmission. That's why. So there's a resistor you have to put in line to keep the factory resistance so that the third brake light doesn't screw up your transmission shifting. As soon as they release that part, we're going to do a follow-up video on that, and we'll have that available here on the site. All these parts are going to be available here on our site. And if you don't see something that you're looking for your OBS restoration project, hit me up, shoot a message to the guys at Complete. They're very busy, so maybe a little harder to get hold of. Definitely hit me up. I'll put a bug in their ear and we'll get those parts available for you. But if you're restoring an OBS and you want a nice, sexy, clean third brake light that just bolts right up and fits really tight, this is going to be your best option from Complete Performance. So like, subscribe, check out the channel. We've got a bunch more unboxing to do. So some mystery boxes here that we're going to open up. Some of them might have a little bit of an idea what's in there. Some of them I don't have a clue. So appreciate you guys watching. And hit us up in the comments if there's any questions you got about these third brake lights.